welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to be bringing this particular video to you today. So welcome to my channel. I'm Anozie. Today we are at Pearlview Estate, Enugu. We came for a physical allocation, and I'm particularly excited today because I was given the privilege to represent my client. Yes, my client is abroad and needed me to represent him today in this particular estate. Yes, I had a couple of clients that bought into Pearlview. I'm very excited to tell you that Pearlview is sold out. Pearlview and Pearlview Extension are both sold out. Over 200 plots of land here. This is what the beginning of Pearlview looks like. Pearlview is at Anozie, alright, in just behind the airport after Caritas University. The place has a perimeter fence, see the gates house and everything. In fact, there are some buildings actually going on inside Pearlview right now as we speak. There's a duplex that is almost complete, and then there are some other buildings that are coming up right here inside Pearlview. This is a beautiful estate. So Pearlview got sold out. Yes, this is the front of Pearlview. In fact, as at when I was making this video, we had just a few plots left, but as at today, Pearlview is sold out. Sold out. Very interesting. Thank you to all my clients that believed so much in me and paid for this estate. In fact, all the clients that paid for this estate, I have not seen any of them physically, right? That's how much of trust they had in me, right? So I'm excited. Now, after Pearlview is Pearlview Extension, but in between Pearlview and Pearlview Extension is an estate called Flourish City. Flourish City Estate. In fact, Flourish City is a brand that has estates all over Nigeria. This estate is 3.7 million naira outright. I'll put the prices here, and if you're paying in 12 months, you can pay in 12 months, but you pay 4.125 million. All right. This estate also has a C of O, is Flourish City, just beside Pearlview, between Pearlview and Pearlview Extension. So Pearlview is sold out, Pearlview Extension is sold out, but this is available, 500 square meters C of O for 3.712 million. If you're paying in 12 months, you can pay 4.125 million. All right. Amazing. So we're heading to Pearlview Extension, where we were doing the physical plot allocation a few days ago. I'm excited because I had other people too that were here, and all of them came ready to possess their possession right here in this estate, Pearlview Estate Enugu. Pearlview is an estate built and managed by PWAN Prime. PWAN Prime is one of the leading real estate companies right here in Nigeria, right? And today in Enugu State, we're actually doing the physical plot allocation to clients. You can see they were excited. They were taking photos of their allocation letter, photos of their plots. It was a very interesting time actually. As much as Pearlview is sold out, we have a few other estates by the same company. All the estates have C of O ranging from 3.8 million. We have Max Assets, the same PWAN Group. Max Asset is for 3.8 million, just a few minutes drive from here. We have Flourish City, like I said, is for 3.7 million if you're paying that's outright within 3 months, or you pay 4.125 million if you're paying in 12 months. We also have Pearl City. Pearl City is an estate as well with a C of O by the same company. That one is along Nsukka Road. that is a city on a hill. I'm going to leave links at the end of the video or in the description box, links to the videos, so that you can just go and look at the videos and see those places and pick your own before you hear sold out again, because this estate is sold out. I am excited. Thank you for the trust. Thank you for all my clients that trusted me. In fact, some of my clients have paid me, that paid for the estate, and I still have their documents. So I still have their documents, I still have their allocation letters, everything, receipts of payment, because most of my clients are abroad. And you know, it gives me so much joy, and I'm appreciative that you trusted me enough, you know, to handle your real estate investment projects here in Enugu and around the country. I'm very excited. Thank you so much for trusting me. I promise to do more. I promise to bring you more real estate investment opportunities right here in Enugu. And sincerely, my goal, my joy, my happiness is just like my excited was on Friday when we're having this allocation, is to see you profitable, make profitable and safe real estate investments right here in Nigeria, Enugu State, and in Nigeria at large. Thank you so much. Enjoy a fantastic day. Look around in the description of this video to see other amazing estates from the same company that you can buy into and key into before it is sold out. Thank you so much. Enjoy a fantastic day. Bye for now.